Hey guys, Jivan here. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 reasons why you should cut your own hair. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you like what you see, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notification to never miss a brand new video again. The first reason to why you should cut your own hair is flexible appointment times. So usually if you want to cut your own hair, you go to a barber shop, you sit down, you wait for 15 to 20 minutes per person. If there's like 5 people waiting at a time, that's about 1 to 2 hours of time gone. By cutting your own hair at home, you save all that time and just cut it by yourself whenever you want. With your own hair clippers, you can cut before going outside or even cut when you come back from work, so anytime works. Now the second reason to why you should cut your own hair is that you'll be able to maintain it more often. For me, when I used to go to the barber, I would cut it every 3 to 4 weeks, but now I always cut every 2 weeks, so I'm always maintaining the neat look. This is called a two-bowl haircut, so it doesn't look like I got a haircut, but if I show you on my sides, I'm always keeping my sides here short. Yeah, it's always short on the sides and back, so it always looks fresh and neat. Now the third reason to why you should cut your own hair is that you're able to customize your hairstyle exactly how you want it. So if you're just starting out and you're an amateur, you can slowly experiment with your own hair, and if you mess up, you mess up because the hair will grow back in like a few weeks or a few months. If you like your sideburns going out longer, you like longer bangs, you like longer hair on top, shorter sides or whatever, there are many hair cutting tutorials on YouTube and online that you can learn. So by learning how to cut your own hair, you're able to cut your hair exactly the way you want it. And since you're cutting your own hair, there's no one to blame but yourself if you mess up. So take your time when you cut your hair so you don't mess up. Now the fourth reason to why you should cut your own hair is that you're able to impress all your friends and family. If you're minding your own business one day, just going out, and someone goes like, "Oh, where did you get your haircut?" And then you can be like, "I did it. I did it all by myself." Now the fifth and final reason to why you should cut your own hair, and the most important one, is that you'll be able to save a ton of money in the long run. Now we're not talking about a few $100s here and there. We're talking about over $20,000. So I'll quickly do the math breakdown for you. So if you think about it, the average guy cuts his hair every 2 to 4 weeks. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna say every 4 weeks. So let's say you get a haircut for $25 to $30. And let's say on average you cut your hair for $25. So that's $25 for 12 months. 25 times 12 is $300. So let's say you live on average 70 years. 70 times 300, that is $21,000. So just by cutting your own hair, the minimum you can save is at least $20,000. Now this money can be better used to travel, to eat, buy bubble tea, buy coffee, buy food, buy all you can eat sushi, barbecue, everything. So what I'm trying to say is that being able to cut your own hair is such a valuable skill that will help you for the rest of your life. It doesn't matter if you just cut your hair once or twice in your life, that's already saving you like $50, So yeah, give it a shot. Go to Walmart, go to any shop that sells hair clippers. Buy cheaper hair clippers if you're unsure you want to do this for the long haul. Try it out, cut your own hair, see if you like it. If you don't like cutting your own hair, you can continue going back to your barber and paying them. If you find yourself that you enjoy cutting your own hair, there you have it, you just save yourself a lot of money. Anyway guys, hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments below, and check back next time.